Good evening and welcome to SADC Opportunity Intelligence. I'm Edward, your host. Every day we cut through the noise to identify the stories that matter most for Southern Africans living abroad, investors, entrepreneurs, and anyone seeking a clearer picture of where this region is heading. Today's question is simple. Where could Southern Africa's next major wave of opportunity emerge? Tonight we examine developments in Angola's diamond industry, a massive regional refinery project, Zambia's growing investment momentum, and what current economic trends may reveal about the future of the region. Let's begin. For decades, many African countries have exported raw resources while most of the value creation occurred elsewhere. That model may be slowly changing. Angola has expressed interest in acquiring a significant stake in De Beers, one of the world's most influential diamond companies. While the negotiations remain ongoing, the broader significance is clear. Countries across Southern Africa increasingly want not only to extract minerals, but also to participate in processing, trading, marketing, and ownership. For investors, this raises an important question. Could future opportunities emerge not only from mining itself, but from the businesses that support mining? These may include equipment supply, engineering services, and transport. Also security, property development, and financial services. Historically, many fortunes have been made around mining rather than inside the mines themselves. Diaspora investors should pay close attention to those supporting sectors. The next story highlights a different but equally important theme: energy. Without reliable energy, economic growth becomes difficult. And Southern Africa knows this challenge all too well. Botswana is reportedly in discussions regarding participation in Angola's Lobito refinery project, while Zambia has also shown interest. The project is intended to strengthen regional refining capacity and improve fuel security. At first glance, a refinery may seem relevant only to governments and large corporations, but history suggests otherwise. Major infrastructure projects often create secondary opportunities that are accessible to smaller businesses. These include transport services, warehousing, and construction, also vehicle maintenance, hospitality, and technology services. When a large industrial project arrives, entire local economies can develop around it. For entrepreneurs, the real opportunity often lies in serving the ecosystem surrounding the project. While infrastructure attracts headlines, agriculture remains one of Southern Africa's most powerful economic engines, and Zambia has recently attracted significant attention. Recent investment initiatives in Zambia have reportedly secured commitments worth billions of dollars in energy and agricultural projects. This is particularly relevant for diaspora communities. Many investors focus exclusively on urban property. However, food production, processing, logistics, and agricultural technology continue to present substantial opportunities across Southern Africa. The key lesson here is that successful investment is often less about chasing fashionable trends and more about identifying sectors that solve real problems. Food security, energy security, water security. These are likely to remain critical themes for decades. What should diaspora investors watch? 3 trends deserve attention. First, regional infrastructure. Transport corridors, ports, railways, and energy systems increasingly connect Southern African economies. Second, resource beneficiation. Countries are seeking greater value from natural resources rather than exporting raw materials alone. Third, financial inclusion and digital transformation. Across the region, governments and financial institutions continue to promote greater access to banking and digital financial services. For investors, these trends often create opportunities long before they become obvious to the wider market. A thought to consider. Investment should not simply extract wealth. The most sustainable opportunities are those that create value for both investors and communities. When businesses generate employment, develop skills, and strengthen local supply chains, they tend to endure. Short-term speculation may generate quick gains. Long-term prosperity usually requires building something useful. That principle applies equally in Harare, Lusaka, Johannesburg, Gaborone, Windhoek, and Luanda. The broader economic picture for Southern Africa remains mixed but cautiously optimistic. Regional forecasts continue to point towards growth, supported by sectors such as mining, ICT, construction, agriculture, and financial services. Challenges remain: energy shortages, governance concerns, infrastructure gaps, currency volatility. Yet opportunities continue to emerge for those willing to look beyond the headlines. Thank you for joining me on SADC Opportunity Intelligence. If you found today's analysis useful, please subscribe and enable notifications. Tell us in the comments, which Southern African country do you believe offers the best investment opportunities over the next 5 years, and why? Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and keep looking for opportunities others may overlook. Thank you for tuning in.